beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, you're much welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you from the bottom of my heart. And so in today's episode, I want to give you a house tour. Kukosawa. Guys, this is the compound. This is how the house looks like. You get this mirror, that is me, and then there is the living room with this big mirror with the beautiful lighting, and then we have the chandelier. From that point there is a dining area, and you can see how beautiful the dining area looks like. I'm really loving the space. And then there is this mirror over here. Yeah, this is me, guys. And then there is a sink, and also it comes with this beautiful chandelier. Yeah, and then this is the kitchen area. You can see how big the kitchen area looks like. Have a look at it. It comes with a working table, all these cabinets. You can see there. Have a look at it. Have a look at it. So basically, this is the kitchen area. Yeah. This is a working table for you, from that point all the way to this point, like that. And then there is storage, and then there is more storage up there, and then there is more of a pantry, and then this is where you can place your cooker, fridge, name them all here. And then also this is how the gypsum looks like, and I really like. I love the house now that it is painted white. And then from there, this corridor over here, as you can see, there is this corridor, and then there is the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom, and it is humongous. It is so big, guys. Look at it. It is so big. And then wardrobe. You have a look at that wardrobe. Yeah, this is a wardrobe. It's part of this house. And then you can see how this is the first bedroom, by the way. And this bedroom comes with its own toilet. The toilet is here. You can see this is a toilet. Comes with a tissue holder, a Colgate toothbrush holder. Here it is. And this is the bathroom side. Comes with a shower, somewhere to place your soap, yeah, and a mirror too, and somewhere to place your towel. So guys, this is the first bedroom. We can go to the other bedroom, and then as you continue coming this way, there is this bedroom. Yeah, this bedroom, yeah, you see the lights for this bedroom, the gypsum and everything. That is it. More wardrobes. The wardrobes are more or less the same, as you can see. They are like this. Yeah, and they are all same design. Yeah, and then inside there is a toilet. Yeah, there is a toilet. Yeah, same design. Comes with a Colgate and Colgate and toothpaste holder. The sink is right here, and the mirror is here, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and then there is the towel hanger and the shower. So this is another bedroom, and then from this bedroom, yeah, there is. Now this is the main toilet for everyone. Everyone can use this. Whoever visits you, your visitors can always come here and use the toilet, and it comes with a mirror also for everyone. You can Here's the mirror, and now there is this other bedroom, same design as the others. The wardrobe, here we go, that is the wardrobe. And now the bathroom, same design, the toilet holder, and then the shower, the soap holder, and then the Colgate and toothpaste holder, the sink, and a mirror, guys. So basically, and you guys, look at this chandelier. This is what they have for this room. Maybe we can just see how. I don't know. I think there are no lights, but basically this is how that house look like. And since, guys, it has a rooftop, I don't know how or where I can access the rooftop from, but let's go and see where we can. And then there's a toilet, an outside toilet, yeah. And then now we can just go up and see. I want to see. So guys, this is it. This is the rooftop of this house. Yeah, this is where you come. It's more of a rooftop, yeah, a flat roofed house. Yeah, and this is the compound. This is the compound, as you can see, guys. Yeah, and this is the environs. It's located. By the way, guys, if you love the house, why not? You can come, see it. You might love it. You might end up renting here, and it's a 3-bedroom house. And with that, and by the way, it have, you see, it is electric fence, so nobody, and you have your neighbor here, but you know we are not supposed to show, but this is it, guys. And you can do your small garden or a gazebo over here, yeah, for your friends. And so, guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.